Hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. So in this video we will see some of the important concepts of mixture and alligation. So alligation is one chapter, or I can say it's one technique where you can solve some questions of ratio, profit and loss, percentage, alligation and average, or some questions of speed and distance also by using alligation. So it's a technique which you can apply in your examination or in your questions where you can solve the questions quickly, right? So other than that, alligation is not at all a separate chapter. Also, it is a technique or a tool. So because in my classes also some of the students they have asked me, sir, in which question we have to apply allegations and all those things and all. So in this video we will see different kind of questions where you can apply the concept of alligation. So first one, the population of a town is 10,000. In a particular year, male population is increased by 5% and female by 8%. If the population at the end of the year is 10,590, find the size of male and female population. Population consists of male and female. So alligation is nothing but mixture of quantities. Here mixture of male and female. So this is male, this is female. Male population is increased by how much? 5%. Female population is increased by how much? 8%. Right? What about overall change in the population? So for that, initial population is nothing but how much? 10,000. Because of this increment in male and female, how much population has become now? 10,590. How much it has increased? You will say 10,590 minus 10,000, which is 590. Out of 10,000 into 100. This is overall change in the population. So 59 by 10 is nothing but how much? 5.9%. So 8 minus 5.9 is 2.1. 5.9 minus 5 is how much? 0.9. So what is the ratio? 7:3. Right? So this total part is how much? 10 part. 10 part how much they have given you? Total initial population? 10,000. So one part is nothing but how much? 1,000. Now what they are asking? Find the size of male and female population. So male part is how much? 7 part. 7 part is how much? 7,000. Female part is 3 part. 3 part is how much? 3,000. So what is my answer? 7,000 and 3,000. So we have seen first question which is related with population where you have male and female and you have applied alligation. Second one, this question is based upon income expenditure question. So a man spends 75% of his income. His income is increased by 20% and his expenditure increases by 10%. His savings are increased by. So whenever you are solving income expenditure question by alligation, always remember in the middle income will be there. So here expenditure is there. Here I am writing saving, here income will be there. Always remember. So income is increased by 20%. A man spends 75% of his income. If his income is 100, he spends 75%. And his expenditure increases by 10%. Now they are asking his savings is increased by. So I am assuming saving as X. So here I have to write expenditure. So a man spends 75% of his income. So 75 is nothing but expenditure. And what about saving? 25% only. So ratio is 3:1. Start with alligation. So x minus 20 divided by 20 minus 10 is 10 is equal to 3/1. Do cross multiplication. X minus 20 is equal to 30. X is equal to 50%. So my answer is nothing but fourth option. So I hope you are clear with the income expenditure question. Now we will see one important question which is based upon mixture of two quantity. So in 1 kg mixture of sand and iron, 20% is iron. How much sand should be added so that proportion of iron become 10%? Iron and sand is there. So I am writing here iron, I am writing here sand. Iron is how much? 20%. Now whenever you are solving this kind of mixture question or two quantities question, convert everything in terms of one quantity. So I am converting everything in terms of one quantity because iron and sand sand is there and overall proportion of iron they have given you. So I convert everything in terms of iron. So here iron is 20%. What about iron here? You will say how much? 0. Right? Overall iron is how much? 10%. Difference is how much? 10. Difference is how much? 10. So what is my ratio? 1:1. Now whenever you, so what about this ratio? So left hand part is nothing but total quantity. And this part is nothing but how much? Sand. This part is sand only, right? So overall how much quantity is given? 1 kg. So one part is 1 kg. Now what they are asking, how much sand should be added? How much sand we have added here? 1. So this one part is again how much? 1 kg. So my answer is nothing but first option. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we will see another one question. Weight of two friends Vishal and Chandu are in the ratio 4:5. Vishal increases his weight by 10% and overall weight of Vishal and Chandu becomes 82.8 kg with an increase of 15%. By what percent did Chandu weight increase? Two persons are there, Vishal and Chandu. Vishal increases his weight by how much? 10%. Chandu they are asking. Overall increment is nothing but how much? 15%. And what about ratio? Ratio is 4:5. So allegation x minus 15 divided by 15 minus 10 is 5 is equal to 4 by 5. 5 and 5 is cancelled. X is equal to 19%, which is nothing but second option. Now when you saw here, this overall weight of 82.8 kg they have given you, which is not having any importance in this question. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we will see another one question. A part of the sum of rupees 3200 was invested at 10% per annum and the rest at 12% per annum. The whole annual interest received was rupees 360. Find the money lent at 10% and 12% per annum. Important question of simple interest chapter. This question can also be solved by allegation. How? So 10% per annum. So rupees 3200 is divided among certain way in such a way that 10% per annum is invested in one part and 12% per annum interested at other part. So first we will take 10% of 3200. How much? 320. Then we will say 12% of 3200. How much? 384. Overall interest is how much? 360. This is how much? 24. This is how much? 40. 8 3s are 8 5s are. This is principal part. So 8 part is how much initial principal? 3200. 1 part is how much? 400. So 3 part is how much? 1200. 5 part is how much? 2000. So what is my answer? 1200 and 2000, which is nothing but first option. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we will see next one. A man purchased 150 pen at the rate of rupees 12 per pen. He sold 50 pen at a gain of 10%. The percentage gain at which he sell the remaining pen so as to gain 15% on the whole outlay. Whole outlay is whole transaction. So here how much gain is there? 10%. Remaining part they are asking. Overall gain is how much? 15%. He is getting 10% by selling how many pen? 50 pen. Here how many pen will be there then? 100, because total part is 150. So what is the ratio? 1:2. So allegation x minus 15 divided by 5 is equal to 1/2. So 2x minus 30 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 35. X is equal to 17.5%, which is nothing but third option. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we will see next one. Ram purchased 13 dozen pen at the rupees 70 per dozen. He sold 10 dozen at 7% profit and the remaining 3 dozen at 10% loss. Find the profit percentage. So he sold 10 dozen at 7% profit. Here is getting 7% profit. Remaining 3 dozen is getting 10% loss. So minus 10% because loss is there. Overall they are asking. Totally he sold 10 dozen here. So remaining 3 dozen is there. So what is the ratio? 10:3. Straight away apply integration. So minus 10 minus 6 divided by x minus 7 is equal to 10 by 3. Minus 30 minus 3x is equal to 10x minus 70. 13x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 by 13%. What is 14 by 30%? 3 1 by 30%. So which is nothing but fifth option. So my answer is fifth option. So I hope you clear with the previous question. Now we'll see next one. How many kg of rice costing rupees 12 per kg be mixed with 22 kg of rice costing rupees 18 per kg to get a mixture costing rupees 16.40 a kg? This is 12 rupees. This is how much? That is what they are asking, right? That is what they are asking. So this is okay. This is 18 kg. Overall is how much? 16.40. All these things are in rupees, right? So 18 minus 16.40 is nothing but how much? 1.60. This is how much? 4.40. What is the ratio? This is 16:44. Now they are saying that how many kg of rice costing rupees 12 a kg we mix with 22 kg of rice costing rupees 18 a kg. This part they have given you. How much? 22 kg. And this part they are asking you. 44 half is 22. So 16 half is how much? 8 only. So my answer is 8 kg, which is nothing but second option. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we'll see next one. Find the ratio in which a solution of 40% alcohol be mixed with a solution of 72% alcohol to get a mixture of 60% alcohol. Mixing of two quantity, right? Alcohol is there. So first one is nothing but 40% alcohol, right? Second is how much? 72% alcohol. Overall 60% alcohol. This is how much? 12. This is how much? 24. 3s are 4 5s are. So what is my answer? 3:5, which is second option. So I hope you clear with the previous question. Now we'll see next one. Ram has certain average for 11 innings. In the 12th innings, he scored 120 runs and thereby increased his average by 5 runs. His new average. So 11 innings is there, and here how many innings are there? 12th inning. That means extra is 1 innings. Here I am saying that his average is A. Here we need to calculate, right? No, in the 12th innings he scored 120 runs. So this is 120. Right? Thereby is increase his average by 5 runs. Right? So this is A plus 5. Because initial average is A only. Straight away go with derivation. So 120 minus A minus 5 is how much? This is 115 minus A divided by A plus 5 minus A is 5 is equal to 11 by 1. So 115 minus A is equal to 55. A is equal to how much? 60. But this 60 is after 11th innings. What they are asking? New average. That means after 12th innings. In the 12th innings, his average is increased by 5 runs. So what is the final answer? 65, which is nothing but fourth option. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we'll see 11th one. In a class of 40 students, 25 are boys. The average marks of boys are 36 and those of girls are 40. Find the average marks of the class. Boys and girls is there, and average marks of boys is how much? 36. Average marks of girls is how much? 40. Overall they are asking. 40 students are there, in that 25 are boys. So remaining 15 will be girls only. So 5 3s are 5 5s are. So 40 minus x divided by x minus 36 is equal to 5 by 3. Do cross multiplication. 120 minus 3x is equal to 5x minus 180. 8x is equal to how much? 300. X is equal to 300 by 8, which is 37.5, which is nothing but first option. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we'll see next one. Tea worth rupees 120 per kg and rupees 135 per kg are mixed with a third variety in the ratio 1:1:2. If the mixture is worth rupees 153 per kg, the price of third variety per kg will be. Three quantities are there. In that we will combine first two quantity. So 120 rupees and 135 rupees will take the average. So 126 plus 135 is how much? 261 by 2 is 130.5, and this is what they are asking. Overall is how much? 153, right? So ratio also we have to combine. 1 plus 1 ratio is 1:1 only, right? Alligation. So x minus 153 divided by 153 minus 130.5 is how much? 22.5 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 153 plus 22.5 is 170.5. 175.5, so which is nothing but third option. So I hope you clear with previous question. Now we'll see next one. The cost price of a bat and a ball is rupees 75. Retailer sold bat at a 40% profit and ball at 60% loss. Find the cost price of the bat if in whole transaction he earns rupees 20 as profit. Two cases are there, bat and ball, right? So this is bat and this is ball. In bat, how much profit he is getting? 40%. In ball, he is getting 60% loss, so minus 60. Overall, how much is profit percent? Profit is 20 and the cost price is overall is this one. So 20 divided by 75 into 100. 25 3s are 25 4s are overall profit percent is 80 by 3%. Now fraction is there, so multiply 3 here, so this will be how much? So I am just converting here. This will be 120, this will be minus 180, and this will be how much? 80. So difference is how much? Minus 260. Difference is how much here? Minus 40, right? So percent gone, 0 gone, 2 13s are, 2 2s are. So cost price of bat and ball is in what ratio? 13:12. So 15 part is how much they have given total cost price? 75. So one part is how much? 5. Now what they are asking? Cost price of bat. Bat is 13. So 13 part is rupees 65, which is second option. So I hope you are clear with the 13th allegation question which we have seen here, and you got some confidence also, and in which question you have to apply allegation you got some idea. Please do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and video, and do share this video in your Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. So prepare well. All the best. Thanks a lot.